back with another video with Pop.
Hi guys!
And today we're playing Flood Escape 2. So basically this game is you have to escape the flood. It's like an obby, but if you escape the flood, yeah, you get more XP and you get more coins. Then if you want to get gems, you either have to level up or buy them from the shop. Then you can use your coins and buy all these like tanks, auras, and your gems, your buddy skins, and emotes. For example, I have the dead emote. It's so funny.
And I have the dab emote.
Yeah, and I'm kind of mad at her. Okay, let's go. Let's play them Flood Escape 2. Let's spectate someone.
Nah, I don't want to spectate.
Okay. How do you pronounce this person's name? Pipco VIP 1234567
Hack VIP 1234567
I think his math failed. He didn't even count 8.
Yeah, lol.
Get the button, boy. I don't know your name, so I'll just call you boy. That's very weird.
Oh, jeez. Okay, so, how long is it gonna be? It's on easy mode and they're already taking so long.
Yeah.
Because
Pokemon.
someone's wasting time. Oh my god. Why must you waste time?
Pan, stop wasting time, okay? I'm gonna expose you for wasting. Yeah, finally.
Finally.
Okay, it's gonna go to normal. Cave system, okay. Cave system, I'm ready. I'm ready for cave system. It's very easy. Okay, time to get this button.
Oh, you already got it. Never mind. I'm gonna go and get the other one, but I don't feel like it because I don't want to die, you know? But whatever, I'm just gonna risk my life for it. Oh, jeez. I'm not going. My airline.
Guys, this is the shortcut. You can go here and do this. That's a shortcut.
Never gonna go do that. I am never doing that. My
If that turns into acid, that means the person failed to do it.
Yep. If it remains at water and someone comes up, then I guess
they didn't fail.
Yep.
You know what? I'm risking my life.
Go, Yuri, go.
Okay. Call me Jolly. Oh no!
He failed.
I died.
And I died. And I died.
Comment down if you heard my real name, guys. Pop, you said my real name right. They have to spell it correctly and I'll give them something.
Don't give them something. Give a shout out.
Yeah, I'll give a shout out to them for saying the name, and I'll delete that comment so that the rest of the people can guess.
Yeah.
Let me spectate you because I was too late.
Just
There's a shortcut over there.
Jolly. You can call me my real name.
Okay. Her real name's Kareen.
You don't need to call me Pop, actually.
Okay.
My mom doesn't mind people calling me my real name in YouTube.
Okay. So I'll say Kareen.
Oh, jeez.
Kerryn. Kareen. Popsicle Kareen in.
Shush.
Okay.
Remember yesterday's video where I'm a man troll?
Yeah, that was very funny. You guys, you should watch that video because that was very funny. The man face troll. Kareen, why are you failing so badly?
I don't know.
And you're gonna die, Kareen. I'm sorry, Kareen, you're gonna die. That's it. Bye, Kareen. It's gonna turn. You're gonna die.
Yay, I'm gonna die.
She's always happy if she dies.
Yeah.
Time wasters.
Wait, you died?
Yeah, no, I didn't go in the lift on time.
Oh, rip.
Rip me. Infiltration! Yay!
This is easy.
Kareen, you want to show them the time wasting glitch?
Nah.
I'm gonna show them. Then I'm gonna reset my character because that's not fair. Okay, guys, when they get that button, then they get that button.
Are they seriously not gonna get the button? So So actually, let's take. I know. You know what? I'm gonna show them every time we see. Oh, I almost fell. Oh,
Let's show them the glitch. Kareen, let's show them the glitch. Let's show them the glitch.
Oh my gosh, the water is already up. Oh my god.
So, Kareen, come, follow me,
So
follow
you gotta
me.
stay right here.
Okay.
Where are you? Where
Yeah,
are
you have to stay right here. Then if you stay right here,
That when it reach about your shoulder length,
you wanna spam space bar. And then you will go on this climbing position and you won't die. That's basically the glitch, guys.
Yeah.
Look, that person died because he doesn't know how to do the glitch.
So it's like in your shoulder length, not your hip.
Yep. So we have to kill ourselves now because we just showed
Ready?
them.
3, 2,
2,
1.
1. So dramatic.
That was the most dramatic. That was the most
It's easy now.
Yep.
Axiom. Get that button.
Really easy, actually.
Guys, I'll show you a shortcut over here.
Are you serious? I'm not in that round. I'm not in that round. Oh my god. I want to spectate you.
Okay. Comment on if you heard my real name.
You said that a lot of times.
Yeah. Because you said that.
You
I
failed.
failed because I was talking
Good.
to you.
Good. You're gonna die now. But how do you die? How do you feel on that though?
Because I was talking to you. Yes! Yes, I did it! Yay!
How is that possible?
Guys, I'm gonna do the shortcut because I'm about to die. Ah! I'm climbing the wrong way.
You're gonna die. Okay, never mind. Sorry.
Kareen! I'm gonna show you guys the shortcut. Right here, like that. That's the shortcut. Very simple.
Very simple.
Then I just die like this. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Oof. Oof. Oh, they're gonna die. They're gonna. Oh.
It's increased to normal. Yay!
No. I want it to be insane.
Yeah,
I
me
want it to
too.
be insane.
Guys, I know how to survive sinking ship, but then the people don't get the button, so I die always.
Yeah.
And I always have to get the buttons, so I die.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do, because the people are so selfish. They don't even want to get the vent button that opens the vent.
Because you're scared for their life. I mean.
Here's another shortcut, guys. Look, this is a shortcut. Right here, jump here. Oops. Right
Oh, flip
here,
out. Whatever.
right
It
here,
doesn't matter,
jump
guys.
here, then
Oh
jump
my
here.
God, you
Like
forgot.
that. That's a shortcut, guys.
Oh my god, you press the button. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
You said my name a lot of times. I don't
I
care.
don't care. Now you say you don't care. Dolly.
Yeah.
Hey! Why do I keep feeling on this?
I don't know.
Ah! It's lava!
It's lava! Kareen, you're gonna die!
I'm gonna die.
Yep, you're gonna die. You're so gonna die.
Yeah, I died.
Yay, you're so happy. Ooh, ooh. Guys, look. My legs are in the cement.
I'm gonna open one of them.
Kareen, where are you? Did you die? You didn't go in the lift, Kareen.
Yeah, I did not go in the lift this time.
Yep, you didn't.
Well, that is on easy mode.
Yep, it's not insane.
I'm gonna go get something.
Guys, I'm gonna show you another shortcut. Right here. So here's the shortcut. Jump on this. Oops,
After
you jump on that, then you jump on that. That's the shortcut.
You have to jump on the window.
Guys, here's a time waster glitch. You go over here and just stay here. That's all.
Yep.
That's how you waste the time. But I don't want to do that because I want to survive in this easy. Okay, get that button, Pan. I don't care if I smell.
Oh, never mind.
Oh, 360.
Oof. Oof. Die. Do the emote. Jump and do the emote. Oh, it looks like you're flying.
Yeah. Hurry up! And guy Duan Vin blah blah and Pan Pan. Wait, no. Those two people. Yep, don't waste time. It returns. I mean, it increases to insane. I mean, normal. What on earth?
Please heart. Oh, it's normal. Oh, this is my favorite map. Actually, it's pretty easy. It's really easy, actually. This is my. Wait. Yuri. I meant Jolly.
Yeah.
Where are you?
What the fish?
Where are you?
Fish. I'm at the fish. I'm at the pond. I'm at the pond, Karine. I'm a fish. Oh my.
Help.
Where are you, Karine?
I'm so scared. Just kidding. No.
Why are you scared? It's just a game, Karine.
I'm panicking, okay?
I think I should name this video revealing our names.
Huh?
I think I should name this video revealing our names.
No. You shouldn't, actually. You shouldn't.
Why?
I don't know.
I don't care. I'm just gonna put it.
No, you should put Flat Escape plus revealing our names.
That's what I was gonna put.
But-
Oof! Turn up your volume, Karine.
No, I can't.
Okay.
No, I don't want to.
No copywritten music.
I met Jolly.
Yeah?
Can I just say your real name, please?
Just say it a few times only. Don't say it frequently.
Okay. Jolly.
Yeah?
How many videos are we gonna record today? Just asking.
5 million, I think. Just kidding. Nah. We're gonna die if we do that.
3 or 2? 3.
Yeah.
Okay.
Guys, here's another shortcut. Oh, Bajam. That's the other shortcut, guys.
Well, I guess we're gonna do a lot of collab videos for the holidays since we're all on holidays.
Yup. By the way, she's my friend, so I can call her anytime I want, but not 12 a.m. of course. We're not gonna play at 12 a.m. What's wrong with us?
You know even. Did anybody? Oh my god!
Kill ourselves!
Ghost.
We died! Yay!
Why did everybody?
How did someone survive? Oh, wait, never mind. They died.
Oh well.
Oh, infiltration again.
Infiltration.
Oh, by the way, guys, there are different ways to do the time wasting glitch, but they're all the same. You have to go on the arc on the black thing because there are a lot of arcs and you can just do it on any arc. But it has to be the same level as the arc we showed you. Will someone get that button already? I'm getting that button. I'm doing this method. It's more fun doing this method. Never mind.
Okay, got it.
Karine, yay! Oh no.
Oh no, we gotta do the glitch. We have no time. Yuri. Swim up.
Yeah, we have no time. We have to do the glitch. Karine, we have to do the glitch.
We have no time to survive this.
Yeah, we have no time. Stay up here. I don't care if that's open. I just have to wait for Karine. See, look, now it's full of water.
No.
We just have to do it, Karine.
Ready? Go. Oh jeez. Oh, that was so scary.
Oh no!
You died. How do you die?
I don't know.
I'm just gonna die. I don't care.
Karine, kill yourself.
I killed myself already.
Good.
Only 2 people survived.
Yeah, because someone did not get the button.
Oh well.
Whatever.
Blah blah blah.
Cave system, okay? I'll get the buttons this time. That's it. I'm gonna get the button. I'm gonna get the first and the second button because last time someone failed to do it and they just don't care and just want the others to die.
Okay, whatever. I'm not.
Never mind, that person's gonna get it. Well, I'm gonna do the shortcut over here so I can get the button. Okay, I'm gonna get the button.
Is anybody ever gonna go into the water?
Yeah, someone did already. And they probably left. Oh yeah, I did it! Yay! Karina, we can go! Fantastic. By the way, guys, don't cringe like, oh no, why didn't you do the shortcut? Like, oh no, because I don't know all the shortcuts, okay, guys? And by the way, I'm not that pro in Flood Escape, so don't judge me. Don't judge me and Karine, please. Don't judge. But guys, seriously.
I fell.
Karine, no! How could this happen to her? Just kidding. Whatever. Oof, oof, oof.
This sounds kind of
This person's gonna die, I think. He's lagging a lot.
Who? Egorless or Kavasas?
I don't know, he dead.
He did now. You did now. You did.
Yeah, you're
You
dead.
did now. Oh my gosh, you did.
Wow, I'm the only one who survived.
Oh, it's gonna go on the easy mode? No.
Hey, shortcut time, guys. Get that button. I have no time for that.
I want to do the shortcut this time.
Yep.
I wanna
Guys, I'll show you the shortcut. Same with Karine. Right here, so you go over here. Then you jump over here. Then once you do that, you go up here, up here, up here, up here. Then you jump up here. Yeah, that's the shortcut, guys. That's basically it.
Up here, and then up here. I don't know.
Yep. I found that out myself.
I can't do that, okay?
Okay, Karine, then don't do it.
Yeah.
Guys, the amazing thing is I found that out myself. I was just trying to explore the map and then I did that.
Well, where am I supposed to go? This way or that way? I think I'm supposed to go that way.
And let me spectate Karine. Yep, you're going the correct way. Go up, hurry up, Karine. You're doing great. You're doing great.
I was stuck. I'm stuck. Yeah, I died again.
Karine's very new to this game, so don't judge her.
Hey, I'm not really that new.
Yeah, but then she doesn't know how to do parkour. She can't parkour and she can't English. And I can't English.
I'm an amateur in parkour.
No, you're a novice. Whatever. Oriental Grove, yay! But it's copywritten music. I'm sad. Okay.
What was I gonna say again? Okay,
I don't know, Karine.
This is gonna be a fast round.
Yep, people are getting the buttons.
We are working together.
Yep, get that button, 7. Get that button, 14. Okay, okay, Karine, please.
Yeah.
Don't do it. Don't get the button because someone was already gonna get the button. Okay, someone get that button. I want to survive first. Because, guys, when you survive first, you get extra 20 XP.
Yep.
And I want to level up very fast.
If I get 10 grand, I'm gonna lock it into insane. I don't care.
I'm saving up for the oof tank, guys, so don't judge me. I don't want to spend my gems until I have 600 coins, and then I'm gonna buy the oof tank, and then my head stuck. Oh, seriously, my head's stuck again. Karine,
stop wasting time.
Karine, look at my head. Look, I'm stuck.
Okay.
Yay, it increased too hard.
Yay, finally. I told them to stop wasting time.
Good.
Oh, this is easy.
Yep, guys, pro tip, you have to go underneath over here. Then if you go underneath over here, then if someone doesn't get the button and it turns into acid, don't get the button. Let them die because they deserve that. They didn't get the button. But it's very cool that they added over here so that you don't need to wait and then die. Yep. Oh, if you want to do it solo, you have to go get that bubble tank over there.
Yeah, but the thing is, you don't need to get the bubble tank.
No, you need if you are doing solo.
I don't. Yeah, you need to do it.
If you're doing
if
solo.
If you're doing solo, but we are doing it multiplayer, so
So don't need.
yeah. So it's pretty safe. To
Because I always get that button. How did I even go through the wall?
I don't know.
Come on, guys. Stop wasting time. I'm exposing you cause
Stop. Okay, I'm telling them stop.
Right. Yay, insane!
Yes.
Yeah! No!
No, this. I'm lagging.
Kareen doesn't know how to do wall jump, wall run.
I know how to do it now, okay?
Okay, but you died. I'm not gonna get that button. I'm sorry,
I
guys.
made it up here.
I died. That's a 12 stud jump.
I died too. Oh my god.
Well, Kareen, do your honors and lock it into insane.
I don't have 10 gems yet.
How many gems do you have then?
5. I need to level up.
What? What did you spend your gems on?
That time when I was playing alone, I locked it into insane myself.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Dude!
At least I survived some.
Yep.
I did serious.
I know how to survive it, but I just don't know how people do it on solo. Because I'm doing it exactly the same speed. Probably because I'm panicking.
I keep feeling. Okay, guys. One tip for the dark side facility is whenever you get stuck at the wall thingy, the trick is to actually just move your mouse this way, like randomly move your mouse.
Yep, randomly move your mouse.
But
Mouse in
remember-
first
Remember
person.
to press spacebar, or you can just hold down spacebar. Actually,
Hold on, spacebar doesn't work for me. So I'll have to do first person and yeah, hold on spacebar and moving my cursor around with first person like this helps me go out of walls.
the thing is, you can just move your mouse like sideways, like just do this. Hold it down and just turn your characters
Like that.
Yep. And then
Pro tip, guys, pro tip.
And then after that, as you're turning, you want to spam the spacebar.
Pro tip, guys. There's a glitch that Crazy Blocks didn't put, because when you do head spin, it extends your head so you don't die. And
Yep.
I find that very troublesome for other players because they can waste more time, and I'm very sad.
Yeah.
Oh, the
this is
Halloween
so
special
fun.
map.
Yep. And I like this because it's not really that hard. It's actually supposed to be on easy mode, but I don't know why.
Nope, it's not supposed to be on easy mode. Kareen, remember all those noobs in Flood Escape?
Okay, fine. Well, I guess it is easy for me and you. I mean, Dolly. Me and Dolly.
I don't care if you say my real name, but just don't say it frequently, please.
Nobody's gonna press that button again.
I'm uncomfortable on making you say my real name on YouTube, but I honestly kind of don't care, but I'm really uncomfortable. Hi, Kareen. Here's another shortcut, guys, right here. Like that. See? That's a simple shortcut. Now, I want to be first survivor, so I'm not going to get that button. I don't care, guys. I don't care. Wow, I died trying to go on the ladder. Fantastic. Wow, fantastic.
Fantastic, Yuri. Dolly. Sorry.
Whatever. I don't care. Okay.
Is
Popsicle.
nobody gonna press that?
Popsicle, Kareenin. No one's going to get that button, Kareen. You have to do it yourself. Okay, hurry up, go! You're gonna die! You're gonna die! You're gonna die! Yeah, you survived! Yes!
Oh my god! 2 out of 8 people survived. Wow. Yeah?
Oh, guys, little did you know that when you survive familiar ruins and then someone wastes time,
Yeah.
I'll show you that glitch if we go to familiar ruins. Actually, the lava disappears after some time. Like, I just found that out myself. Because I was wasting time. I wanted to see the glitch. And then the lava just disappeared. Bajam.
There's a shortcut instead of climbing the stairs, actually, for this map. You can... Oh, I fell.
Yeah, you just go here. You don't need to go
No,
over
to the
there.
generator. I call that a generator. I don't know why. I'm gonna die.
I'm gonna spectate you.
Yeah.
Oh, Kareen, you died.
Again.
Your body exploded.
I died.
Hurry up, level 8. Hurry up, level 8 and level 6.
Because I'm not really familiar with the sensitivity of this mouse. What do I keep saying familiar? As in, like, I am not used to the sensitivity of this mouse, so my other mouse broke.
Yeah, sad for
So
you.
I'm not used to the sensitivity of this mouse.
Guys, there's another glitch over here. So
Yeah, you can just stay at the wall, but I don't want to.
yeah, me too. But I'm just gonna show them.
Go. Okay, then you're gonna. But after you show them, you have to.
Guys, you have to go over here. Then when you go over here, you wanna just stay over here. I'll show you the limit. The limit's
you
right
want
here.
to teach them the faster way of climbing the stairs.
Yep. Okay. Guys, this is how you climb faster. Okay. So you go here, jump like this, and then you hold spacebar and press W. That's how you climb faster, guys. And if you didn't know that, well, there you go. What happened, Karine?
Oh, I was so close.
Oh, guys, you have to stay at the spawn. But then if you get to the water, don't worry. You can just move back and move all the way back until, you go to the spot where it has an air pocket on it.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay, who's left? Did someone do the glitch?
Let me see.
Popsicle Karine. Oh, nope.
He was just wasting time.
Yeah.
Wow. Yay, difficulty increased to hard.
Yes!
It's lava top. Yes, my favorite map.
Guys, I'll show you a secret. I'll show you a shortcut.
Shortcut. I know that shortcut, but the thing is that I haven't really mastered it yet.
I mastered it, so I always use it.
Why do you have to push me off?
I didn't push you off, Karine.
No, I'm not saying you. I'm saying that other guy.
So guys, you basically want to go here and then you just go on the other side over here. That's how you basically do the shortcut. Then if you want to go back, you just go on this plank.
Do you know who pushed me off?
Who?
That DYGGRYVKGG guy.
Really?
Yes, he just pushed me off for no reason. But I guess he died, so I guess that's instant karma.
Oh guys, you can't climb faster on that, because if you try to do that, you're gonna die. You can't climb faster on these ladders. You can't. I'm sorry. Ha 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 ha. What? Oh yeah, you're. Why are you laughing?
Random. That's for random stuff. Oh, Flood Island.
So after Flood Island, you want to reset your character and go back to the lobby and end the video? Probably.
Okay, but be sure to check out our next 2 videos.
Yep, we're gonna record more videos today because we want to. Don't judge us.
Trust me, there will be a lot of collab videos with me.
Yep.
Well, I guess we can do more collab videos with other people. Like Roblox player, your noob twin.
Yep, my noob twin.
Is nobody literally gonna press that button? Oh my god.
Karine, get that button. I'm gonna get this button. Karine, please don't fail us. Good, you didn't fail us.
You're going, selfish people. Why are you not pressing the button? I just risked my life for that. I'm dying.
I'm dying as well.
Dying.
I'm gonna die.
I died. Alright.
Who? Am I actually gonna survive? Nope. Okay, guys, Karine, don't go in the lift. Good, you left. Okay. Thank you. Karine, where did you go?
Okay, I'm a reset character.
Where did you go?
I'm in the game. Reset character. Okay, I reset character.
Okay, good.
Oh, hello.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Watch the previous episode and comment down if you heard my real name, and I'll give you a shout out.
Check out our other 2 videos.
Check out our 2 videos, the man face troll, which is the social experiments and trolling video, and our whatever floats your boat video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace, y'all. Bye.